Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of uCast Shorts, where we guide you through the world of IPTV and OTT one feature at a time. I'm Domagoj.
And I'm Ivan, the guy who will say things you need to hear.
As we are nearing the end of 2024, let's take a look at some of the more interesting streaming features set to shape 2025.
Absolutely, Domagoj. We're diving into what the industry giants are planning and how these innovations could transform the streaming landscape. And yes, we'll brag about how UniqCast has been ahead of the curve.
We can help ourselves. First off, Netflix Moments feature. It's a nice move towards more interactive and social streaming, letting viewers share scenes directly on social media.
And over at Amazon Prime Video and NBA, they're testing multi-screen viewing. That will enable up to 4 different streams on the same screen, which is especially useful in sports.
So this is something very similar to our Mosaic feature. A similar solution that enables operators to preview multiple live sources or channels, let's say 2, 4, 9, 16 sources within a single screen.
Also, they are rolling out AI-powered recaps, an AI-powered feature providing summaries of TV series or games, helping users catch up on this content.
Yeah, AI is definitely a must-have. Sounds interesting, especially if you have a feature like ours, where you can also use AI in content discovery.
Where you can talk to your app, and find interesting scenes just by describing audio or describing scene like we have in our solution.
Our AI-driven content discovery has been delivering personalized viewing experiences, providing that we do not just follow trends, we set them.
So, Multiview, been there. AI-driven service, done that. Our tech stacks up there with the best global services, enhancing users' personalization and engagement with content.
About YouTube. YouTube is rolling out new gifting system as a reward system for content creators.
Also, they've improved various navigation features.
We noticed that Pluto TV has also been working on improving the user experience, and it was about time they did so.
Yes, they have added Hero Carousel and Trending Highlight section designed to showcase selected content such as new releases or popular titles.
I have to say, exactly, it's something very similar to our approach of organizing and repurposing the content using the metadata, viewership stats, for example, or some recommendation mechanisms.
That can be seen in our Dynamic Catalogs feature as well as our Highlights feature. We've already showcased them in our previous uCast Shorts.
Yeah. So Pluto TV has also plans to integrate AI-powered features like conversational search by next year.
Oh, maybe we could help them with our own AI voice assistant feature that does exactly that. So call us Pluto people if you need help.
Warner Brothers Discovery has announced a new advertising solution on its Max streaming platform, Shop with Max, which uses AI technology to identify products within shows and movies, and when viewers can purchase them via QR codes and without interrupting user experience.
Hulu is rolling out a similar concept with their Shop the Scene, which enables viewers also to scan QR codes, directing them to the sponsor website. Really interesting.
Yeah, and these innovations mean streaming services are becoming not just entertainment option, but multi-purpose outlets for shopping and fully personalized content engagement.
Exactly. And that's why these features matter. They're not just cool add-ons, they redefine what it means to watch TV.
So, as we embrace these changes, remember to keep an eye on UniqCast. We are already where the industry is headed.
We are very excited to see what 2025 will bring us.
So, all we can say is,
you'll need this.
Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned, keep dreaming big, and remember, we are bringing the future of streaming to you, one feature at a time. We wish you a Merry Christmas
and a Happy New Year.
Stay safe
and stay beautiful.
Bye.
Bye-bye.